Hi Tom, here's a quick video on how to access the various libraries. Basically, once you log in, we go to the Pages section or the Playlist section. This will work in either one. We click Add to the right of that section and we go From Another Dashboard. And in here at the top, you'll see a list of all the different libraries we have. So right now it opens to the default. I'm not sure which library will open to, but we have you can click on all the shows we did in 2018. And it should list them all here. There's 8 on a page, and you can flip through, or more than 8 on a page, and you can click as many of them as you like. We have started just recently to do 2 formats. So there's a full screen version and a split screen version. So if you're using the template, basically you just double click this. It brings it into your library. This is the template version. So what we do here is we'll create a playlist. So we'll go Add blank playlist. I'm just going to call it test, and I'll delete it after a minute. But we open it, so edit, and we drag your video or desired message onto the playlist. Now anything, because we want the weather on the left and the logo, I've created another page for that. And if we go to the first section, here it is. Yeah, so this one, whatever you drop in this optional foreground page over here will overlay on top of every slide, every message, every video in this particular playlist. So if you wanted, you could open our audio app and you could run audio in the background like music. You can pull, you can stream music from any website. You can have the date and time. In this case, I created a template that has your weather, your logo, and everything. And then if we go ahead and we can preview it here. If it's a message that you're bringing in, like one of these, you want to just set the duration, how long that video is. In this case, we can do 30 seconds for the message or 10 seconds for the message. The video, I've put the name or the length in the video. So this one here is 300 seconds. Or you can go in and you can edit it. Click on the video so that it's the active item, and then the menu on the left will relate to the active item. You can actually click over here, move to the next page when the video ends, and then if you hit save, it will automatically go to the next one. You don't have to worry that it's 300 seconds. Back to dashboard. And then if we want to take a look, we go edit and preview, and my screen capture is not going to catch the whole thing because it goes full screen, so you'll get the idea. I'm just going to close that. And what else can we do for you? So yeah, so to the right of the pages or playlists, so playlists from another dashboard, and you got all the shows for month by month. In here, so 2019, 2018. There's other things like American ACA, social media clips, Life University, Dr. Mercola, standard process. There's a few. There's supposed to be a few videos in there. Maybe it's just not reloading. Dr. Mercola. Oh, I'm in the playlist section, right? I don't have very many playlists for other ones, but if we go up to pages from another dashboard, you'll see in here we've got the Dr. Mercola. There's a bunch of his YouTube channel videos that we've just dropped in here, so for sugar, etc., etc. So hopefully this helps. Let me know if you're not seeing any of this, and I can certainly get it fixed. Thank you, sir.